Hello everyone, hope you are doing great with your sketchbook today. Welcome to Rayn Dreamwork. I am Rayn and I will be with you till the end. So, subscribe and click the bell icon for instant notification. Today I will show you all the basics and fundamentals of drawing. We start with the base of drawing and you have to do this rest of your drawing life for perfect drawing. First thing, you have to draw a line from left to right and then right to left. The second thing is circle. Draw some circles both clockwise and anti-clockwise. You didn't have to draw accurate 360-degree circle. All you have to do overlapping on a circle for smooth your hand. As I said before, lines, you have to draw lines right to left and left to right, and both up to down and down to up, from right side to up and again up to right side down, left side to up and up to left side down. Also, draw some ovals as you draw circles, both clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Now draw some basic shapes like cube, cone, and draw with basic shapes as pencils, books, or a human figure, or a cartoon face. All you have to do is drawing with the basic shapes. So this is all for today. Start practicing at home, school, college, any places where you will have some paper and a pen or a pencil. The more you practice, more perfection will come. Thank you for watching this video and keep eyes on my channel. See you on the next video. Thank you.